Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my clip-in extensions, as well as showing you guys how I install a little ponytail with clip-ins. So this hair is from Curlsqueen, and these are definitely the best clip-ins that I have ever used. The texture is more like a light yaki, so they're very easy to blend in with your hair, which I have definitely loved. So I've never had this type of textured clip-in, and I can say that I have been missing out. I absolutely love clip-ins, so when I got these I was super excited and just surprised because I never even thought to try out this type of texture when it comes to clip-ins. So I'm so glad that I got these, guys. They look amazing, like so easy to blend with your hair. Usually I always double up my clip-ins when I'm installing them just so it's fuller, but with these I don't even need to do that. So like, this is one clip in my head, but let me just tell you guys a little bit more about these clip-ins. So you get two of each clip, each extension, excuse me, and then one of the longest extension. So pretty standard when it comes to the bundle, but like I said, you don't have to use all of these clip-in extensions because they're super thick. But I wanted to show you guys how it looked with all of them in, and I love a good full look anyway, so I'm just gonna use all of them for my install in this section. So yeah, but I did pretty basic with putting them in my head. I just you'll see in the video, no need to really explain. But after this style, I am going to show you guys how I do my ponytail, and I may explain that to you a little bit more because it kind of gets a little bit confusing, I think, from just watching. But go ahead and enjoy this video. Please check out my description box if you guys are interested, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Okay, so I hope you guys liked that middle part style, but now we're gonna get into the ponytail. So for a ponytail, I always start with a baby ponytail in the middle of my head and then wrap my extensions like section by section, kind of go around that ponytail, but in the direction, like putting the clip-ins in an upward direction. I don't know if you could tell from the video, the clips, I'm sorry, that I was just showing you guys, but the hair is like facing upwards, so in an upwards position, so you can kind of like brush them upwards without it being uncomfortable. So I always do that whenever I want to use clip-ins for my ponytail because it is the most comfortable position, y'all. So anyway, super easy, super quick. Start with a little baby ponytail in the middle and then just kind of build up the hair around that baby ponytail and you will be good. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of curls for y'all to see. But as you guys know, clip-ins are very, very versatile, so you can do pretty much any style. I love using clip-ins for half up, half down, ponytails, everything. Like, so go ahead, check these out, guys. And thanks again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.